Waters up to the SB squad. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys about how to tame your bird and how you feed it and how you give it water. So let's get into this video.
So guys, I got the birds, and this is the birds right here. So what I do first? Well, first in the morning I change the tray where they poop at the bottom, and then over, and then I wash the sticks and stuff that's in here. Then I change the water, and then I do not change the food until I see the food is halfway finished. So let's go here on that right now.
Okay, so first what I do is wash the water bowl out, but to room temperature. Not too cold. And I don't fill it, so okay, so now I'll get back to you guys when I start the food. So guys, this is the last step. No, it's 2 more steps. So I emptied this out because yeah, it was. So take this, just dip it in there. This is a good amount, if y'all can see that. And wait, I'll be back in 2 seconds. Guys, I'm on my way. I'm back. Just have to put this in there. So this is the water that I did in the last clip, as you guys saw. So you put the water inside the cage. So this is the last step, and then we go to the shout out that everybody go to. So bring the phone. So I'll give away at least 10 shout outs, and yeah, and I'll tell you how to get into the shout out gang. And yeah, when you get the shout out, if you got the shout out, text me on Imvu. That means you earned your free account. So text me on Imvu. I'll do how much accounts I have. So after this, text me on Imvu once I shout you out. So let me get back to, oh my god, let me get back to you guys with the names. Be right back.
Those people just got shout out, and if y'all like your Imvu account that just got shout out, text me on Imvu. And if you would like to get shout out in my next video, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn off the notification bell and make it ring. Ding. Then comment down below, and then share this with your friends. So I'm gonna repeat it: subscribe, turn on the bell, like the video, comment, and share this with your friend. So see you guys. Make sure you smash this video with a big thumbs up.